Thank you so much, Amna, sa pinadala mo kay Mariam Japanese last May 20 through bike. So nung May 21 dumating dito si Japanese, dala-dala niya itong order ko. So ito yung order ko na sa iyo, 1 pack na dilis. Ayan, 1 pack na dilis. Tapos ito yung hibbi o kaya dried shrimps. Salamat sa isang packet na free pakapin. Tapos ito naman yung 1 kilo na peanuts. Gagawin ko ito na tawag dito. Gagawin ko itong ipa-fry ko ito, lagyan ko ng maraming bawang. Pero i-dry ko muna ito ng 1 day para maganda yung pagkaluto. So ngayon ko lang ito na videohan kasi nung andito si Japanese at the time nung dumating siya dito May 21 to 27, busy ako at that time. So ngayon lang today is June 1 na pala ngayon. June 1 ngayon, tapos Sunday ngayon, time now is 1 p.m. So ngayon ko lang na videohan. At saka itong aking mobile ay kahapon lang na repair. Pero hindi pa rin ako maka-upload ng videos. Ilang araw na akong hindi nag-upload. Last 28, 29, 30, 31, tapos 1 to 6 days na pala. Pero meron akong nakaset na premiere. Hindi ko hindi na-miss ko kahapon at saka bukas din may premiere ako, pero itong aking mobile ay yung SIM ay it's not working. So babalik uli si Fahad doon sa sa franchise bukas para ayusin itong aking SIM para maka-upload ako uli ng videos at saka dito sa YouTube. So ito magluluto ako ng dinengdeng kaya maghalo ako ng konti nitong dried hipon o kaya hibbi. Today I'm going to make my own recipe dinengdeng Ilocano favorite dish using my non-stick kitchenwares. So this is my first time to use my kitchenwares because I bought this one last May 30, last Friday. So today I'm going to use it. Now I'm boiling this water for my soup for my dinengdeng, and I have this homemade bagoong isda made of dilis. So first I have to remove this yung tinik-tinik niya kasi may mga tinik. Ayan. So then we have to put here. As you can see, the tinik-tinik, yung thorn ba. Ayan. So next we have to put now this one. Tomatoes, onions, garlics, and ginger. Now we have to put all together. This is the way I cook my dinengdeng. And I have this one, sahog, hibbi, or dried shrimp. So must be we have to put water here and wash it before put here. Like that. Kasi maalikabok. Ayan, ito yung aking sahog. Ayan. And then, now we have to put now this string beans. Kasi ito yung medyo matigas. So we have to put now first. And I'm happy for my kitchenwares because this is already my plan and my program 1 year ago to buy this non-stick kitchenwares. Now we have to cover it. Yan, ganda. Ang ganda ng aking non-stick na lutuan. Now next we can put now this bitter gourd or krili or ampalaya. Yan. And I have also this patola sponge guard or tori, they call it here. I bought also 1 kilogram like this because we plant also sponge guard, but by June or August we can also harvest our sponge guard, inshallah. Now we have to cover again. Then we have to put next this eggplant, sponge guard, and ladyfinger. Now next we have to put now also this eggplants. Ayan, maluluto din ito lahat. And then next this one, sponge guard. And also this ladyfinger. Ayan. Then cover it. Now we'll check if already cooked these vegetables and the taste is also good. If salt is enough, so we'll taste it. Salt is not enough, so I put more salt here. And I think gravy is enough because I like more gravy or soup. And also Fatma, she like also this dinengdeng, so I add more soup. Ayan. So when it boiled, then already finished because I like also half cook vegetables, half cook. I don't like overcook. In other container, I cook also rice here. Now rain is coming again because there is already what you call this, kulog, yung thunderstorm. So this is already cooked. I think this is already overcooked. No, it's okay. So we have to turn off now the flame. And also this rice, it's already cooked. Now I have to turn off now the flame. Now I have to eat now my lunch. This for me because yesterday I cooked this bitter gourd with minced meat with chapati. Yesterday night and today lunch also with chapati, but for me rice with dinengdeng. So let's eat, everyone. I cook also 2 pieces of marinated chicken tapa. This is breast because before yesterday when I received my salary in YouTube, seven times YouTube salary, so I buy also some what you call this, chicken for my biryani, and then minced meat, and 1 kilogram of cow. So I keep 2 pieces breast, then I make marinate it. So I will cook this one tapa using this pan of non-stick. Oh, sorry, nahulog. Every time I cook chicken curry or biryani, always I keep 2 pieces breast of chicken. Then I make marinate it and I cook this way, chicken tapa. Now let's check. I use this one for rice and use this one for dinengdeng. Very nice, really. Can you see this one rice non-stick? It's really 100% non-stick, you see. Yeah. Walang dumikit na kanin. We took already our lunch, but this chicken tapa we can eat in dinner. Today I'm going to cook ladyfinger, and this is my recipe for today for our dinner and also for tomorrow lunch. Today is June 1. So first I put this oil here, and this oil I used yesterday to half fry this krilli or bitter gourd or ampalaya. Now we have to put now these onions, slices of onions, using my non-stick wok. I put already also garlics, then this masala, turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt, and then tomatoes. So tomatoes is already paste, you see. Now we can put now this slices of ladyfinger. Ayan, so we put all this one. Ayan. And then we have to cover it. Where is that cover? It. And I use 3 non-stick containers for today. This is rice, and this chicken tapa frying pan, and this wok, and this is dinengdeng. And now we have to cover it. This one my recipe yesterday, minced meat with bitter gourd with potatoes. But this one I cook in another container. In wood, I cook in wood over there in this chimney because yesterday too much rain, so I cook here. So now I cook here in stove. So I have extra, little bit extra, so we can eat this one in for dinner. And I have extra also for lunch, but I have to cook more chapatis for Langga, for Fahad, and for my husband. For Fatma and for me, we will eat rice with dinengdeng. Yan. So we have to slow fire this one. Now it's time now to make chapati because I have only extra for lunch. So I have to make only 5. So I use this old tawa or flat pan for chapati. So this is already cooked. Now we have to check. So this is already cooked. So we have to turn off now the flame here. Now we have to make now chapati. For me and Fatma, we will eat rice with dinengdeng and tapa. We have to divide this tapa for 5 persons. I still can use this old tawa because this still okay. In some few months, I will use my new non-stick tawa or flat.